Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Sakode. Today, I'll show you how to install WinRAR on your Windows machine. So, to install it, you first need to download WinRAR from their website. So, address bar, I type download WinRAR from my Chrome browser. You can choose any browser of your choice. Then I click on WinRAR download free and support. There's WinRAR software website. Here you can buy WinRAR software and you can download it. And for compatibility issue, WinRAR support Windows 10 Home, Windows 10 Pro, Windows 10 Enterprise, 10 Education. So to download it, click on Download tab on their website. There is the software version. Here we have 32-bit and we have 64-bit. Yeah, I'll choose 64-bit to download it, and after that I install on my Windows machine. Click on download WinRAR software. Now WinRAR software is downloading. Let's wait to finish downloading. Downloading, I can install on my Windows machine. 95%. Now 5% complete. So to install, you right click on it, then you click choose in folder to locate WinRAR software download folder where WinRAR software was downloaded to. Then after that, you double click on WinRAR software. Then you begin to install WinRAR on your Windows machine. So I've double clicked on WinRAR software in download folder where I download WinRAR software from. You click yes to continue. Let's try WinRAR software. That you click install. Begin to install WinRAR on your Windows machine. Now you can select the file associated with it. Click done. WinRAR is complete. Install on my Windows machine. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this video was helpful. Subscribing to this video. Time that we upload new video, you can get notification. Thank you.